Hey peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta and today is my final update of my charity event for MNDA, raising money by crafting every day throughout March of 2023. At this time it is the last day of March and I have raised a total of £60 as it stands. However, I am still accepting donations via the link in the description and the QR code at the end of this video. So if you would like to give, there is still an opportunity. So a huge thank you to everybody who has supported me this month in this charitable event. And here is the time lapse of the final few makes. Enjoy! And so as another crafty week draws to a close, thank you so much for your support. Please do remember to give generously if you can. You can do so via the link in the description or using the QR code displayed on screen here. As always, I would like to say a huge thanks to my generous patrons, John, Dylan, Maisie, and in the inner circle, Katerina Siplova. You too can support my channel from as little as £2.50 per month. So that's all from me for today. Please do consider to leave a like, share, subscribe, become a member of the Crafty Coven, and I will see you in the next one. Stay crafty!